This is how I removed it. Pretty much just clamped it, and I was able to put this behind it and just twist it right off. So that's how I got it off. And as you can see, just give you a quick demo. Let me see. Trying to do this with one hand here. It's already loose. See? There you go. And first one's coming off. This one's off, and the second one's still pretty tight. Let me see if I can do it with one hand. The second one comes off easy. There you go. It's not going to take a lot of force, so. There you go. Right off. Second one off, condition, and then I'll show you how I'm gonna restore this. Second one, third one. Third one's actually, they don't come off. They come in like just they come off just sliding off. The washers, they're in good shape. We're gonna restore this bad boy so you guys can see how it's gonna come back.